In today's mind-bending journey, we're diving headfirst into the captivating world of artificial intelligence and asking the question that's been on everyone's minds: how powerful will AI be in 2030? Brace yourselves, because we're about to embark on an exhilarating adventure through the digital landscape, where AI is no longer just a tool, but a force that's shaping the very fabric of our lives. Number 1. Collaborative revolution across professions. As we gaze into the not-so-distant future, the realm of artificial intelligence promises an explosion of endless possibilities. By the time 2030 rolls around, AI won't just be a mere tool in our lives. It will stand as our creative companion, ceaselessly sparking new ideas and unraveling enigmas we once deemed insurmountable. The synergy between AI and us humans will become nothing short of essential, serving as the bridge between innovation and reality. Consider the field of medicine, where AI's potential looms grand and awe-inspiring. There may come a time when certain diagnoses would require the expertise of AI, and not leveraging its guidance could be seen as a missed opportunity to provide the utmost care to patients. Picture a future that is undeniably thrilling, one where AI stands as our unwavering ally in every facet of our lives. Number 2. Intelligence embedded in most devices. Picture this: a world where intelligence is seamlessly woven into the fabric of our gadgets, making them more intuitive and connected than ever before. Peter Diamandis, a visionary in the tech world, predicts a fascinating trend. Specialist machine learning processors are becoming increasingly affordable, with prices plummeting to as low as $5. This cost-effective leap means that AI's magic will touch every corner of our lives, from playful toys and household appliances to nimble drones and gaming controllers. The possibilities are limitless. But that's not all. This AI revolution gains momentum through the widespread availability of tiny, inexpensive sensors and the rapid expansion of high-speed networks. These elements, combined with specialist AI chips, are poised to reshape our world. The AI chip market is set to soar, with sales projected to skyrocket from $8 billion in 2019 to an astounding $34 billion by 2023. Imagine the innovations and conveniences that lie ahead. By 2030, your child's toy may remember faces and names through facial recognition technology. Your home appliances could converse with you, responding to voice commands and even predicting your needs with the help of advanced algorithms. Number 3. Autonomous vehicles on track to outperform humans. Imagine this: AI-driven autonomous vehicles poised to outperform human drivers. Thanks to cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence like Tesla's groundbreaking Dodo supercomputer, we're on the brink of witnessing fully self-driving cars seamlessly navigating certain regions in just the next decade. However, some experts believe this reality might be a bit further down the road. Nonetheless, this AI-driven revolution promises to usher in a wave of exciting changes. It could lead to a progressive reduction in transportation costs within these regions, transforming the landscape of urban planning, delivery services, trucking, and various other industries. Number 4. AI set to elevate medical treatment quality. The future of medicine is bright, with AI playing a pivotal role in enhancing treatment quality. Picture this: AI dissecting the intricate interplay of genetics, environment, and lifestyle to tailor precise strategies for preventing and curing diseases. With digital therapies, personalized medications, and advanced diagnostics, treatments are becoming not only more accurate, but also more affordable and accessible. But here's the twist: AI isn't replacing doctors, it's empowering them. AI, constantly learning and adapting across diverse medical scenarios, is set to refine diagnosis and treatments. The synergy between human physicians and AI-powered diagnostics will elevate the accuracy of healthcare systems, paving the way for AI to eventually take the wheel with human trust firmly in the driver's seat. Number 5. Balancing advancements and job disruption. Imagine the future of AI in 2030. It's a topic that's stirring up quite a buzz. According to Udacity CEO Gabe Del Porto, AI is poised to bring about significant changes in the job market. By 2030, it's predicted that a staggering 1 billion people may find their careers transformed or displaced due to AI advancements. The COVID-19 pandemic has only accelerated this shift. Jobs that involve driving, operating heavy machinery, or practicing law are on the automation radar. As a result, many of these roles could become obsolete, requiring a pivot in career paths for many. To navigate this transformation, proactive government initiatives and new laws will be crucial to protect and re-educate the displaced workforce. However, this AI-driven shift also raises concerns about social inequality and power concentration. The UN has reported increasing inequality in many nations, and we could see a divide between those working for algorithms and those creating and controlling them. On a brighter note, jobs emphasizing emotional intelligence, like sales, leadership, and management, may remain resilient in the coming decade. Number 6. The deepfake threat. Challenges in a digital society. Picture this scenario. It's 2 days before a crucial presidential election with far-reaching consequences. A viral video of one of the candidates surfaces, garnering millions of views across social media. But here's the catch, it's a completely fabricated deepfake. While tech giants like Microsoft and Facebook have developed tools to spot deepfakes and their origins, the potential damage they could inflict is a pressing concern. These fake video and audio clips can be strategically used to exploit people's biases, fears, and suspicions. As we delve deeper into the era of AI, the threat of deepfakes in society is something we must seriously consider. The implications on information integrity and public trust are significant, making it crucial to stay vigilant and continue developing countermeasures. The future of AI in 2030 is nothing short of mind-boggling, and it's safe to say we're in for some truly revolutionary developments. If you found this video as thrilling as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date.